Hello friends, welcome to Rajesh Data Engineering. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the utility function that I created and can be used across multiple projects. In today's big data world, we are often dealing with semi-structured data. This data is in the form of files distributed across multiple folders. So we are often dealing with files and folders. In this scenario, while developing certain business functionality, we often come across situation where we need to check if a particular folder exists or not. So I have created one UDF to handle this situation and I'm going to walk through. Let's get started with the demo. I'm into my Azure portal. I have created one storage account ADLS Raja DE and I have created one container demo. And I have created folder sales. Within that, I have created multiple subfolders 2017, 18, 19, 20. And coming to 2018, I have created again subfolders quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And within each quarter, I have uploaded certain files. This is my file hierarchy. So basically, I want to check if a particular folder is present in this container or not. That is my requirement. I have logged into my Databricks and my cluster is up and running. So first step, in order to read the data from Azure Data Lake Storage, I have to create a mount point. I have already posted one video about mount point. In case you haven't watched, you can watch that to get more information. So in this mount point, basically I have to give my details about data lake storage along with access key. So let me create mount point. Let me execute this step. Mount point is created. Now I want to list down all the folders or files present under sales folder. Let me execute ls command. Okay, that is a file system command. %fs ls. Then I'm giving the location. Okay, here I have created the mount point. That is the pointer to my container demo. Within demo I have sales folder. Within demo I have sales folder. Under sales I am having these folders. So let me give ls command and let me check if my mount point is working correctly. It's working fine. So I'm able to list down all the folders present under sales folder 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Now I have created the UDF. Okay, here I have given name folder exist. We can give anything. So this is accepting one parameter that is nothing but a path or folder location. Okay, which we want to test. And inside, I'm giving try except. Within that, I'm using a simple function db utility command fsls. Basically, I'm trying to list down all the content under that particular folder. In case that folder is present, then this command will be successful. In case the folder is not present, then it will throw error, then it will go to exception part. In the exception, I'm going to capture, if it is throwing file not found exception, then I'm going to return false. So basically, if the folder is present, then this part is going to be successful. Then based on that, it will return true. In case the folder is not present, then it will throw error Java input output file not found exception. Then based on that, it will return false. So basically, it is returning one Boolean value, true or false. If it is true, which means the folder is present. If it is false, the folder does not exist. That's the meaning of that. So let me execute this UDF. Done. Now I want to test one of the folder. Let's say I want to execute. I want to check. This 2018 that folder is present or not. So I'm giving starting from mount point. /mnt adls test. This is the mount point. Under that sales folder, under that 2018, I want to check if this particular folder is present or not. So basically I'm going to call this a function folder exist. Then I'm going to pass this path as a parameter, and here I'm giving not in case this path is not, I mean this is returning false Boolean value. If that is the case, then it is going to give message folder is not present. Else, then it will go to else part, which means it is returning true, which means folder is already present. So here I have given one path 2018. We know that this 2018 is already present. Here we can see 2018 is already present. So it should go to this if part, it should go to else part, then it should give message folder is already present. Let me execute this step. Here you can see folder is already present. This is the output we are getting. Let me give 2030. Randomly I'm giving some some other year 2030. We don't have such folder under this ADLS location. So it should return folder is not present. Let me execute. As expected, it is returning the message folder is not present. This is one of the simple example I have given, but in real time, instead of printing, you might give some other logic. Maybe like you if the folder does not exist, then you want to create. How we can create? For that, we can use dbutility command fs.mkdars. Then we can give that path. So this is one of the business logic. One simple example I am giving, but in real time, you might have different requirement. That logic you can implement in this part actually. So here what I'm telling is, check if 2030 is present or not. In case it is not present, you give a message. At the same time, you create that folder. That is a message I am giving. So let me execute this step. It is telling present folder is not present. At the same time, it should have created. Let me get into my Azure Data Lake storage and refresh. See here, it has created 2030. It's a blob storage. That's the reason it is showing like this. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, this is how we can check if a particular path or folder is present or not in any storage location. I hope you understood the concept. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the content of this video, please comment, like in the channel. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Thank you.